Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete all trash at once in Notion. So let's get started. If you've accumulated a lot of pages and find it time-consuming to delete them individually, this method will save your time. Here's how you can do it. Access the Google site. First, visit the link provided on the screen. Drag the link to your bookmarks bar to save it for future use. Navigate to Notion. Open Notion and go to Trash section. Execute the script. Click on the bookmark you added to your bookmarks bar. This will initiate a script that quickly deletes all the pages in your Notion trash. While in trash, you can efficiently delete all your Notion pages in the trash at once. This is particularly useful if you have a large number of pages to delete, saving you time and effort of doing it individually. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.